I was rejected during my childhood, saying girls don't go to school. So from that time I said no, as I've grown I can go back and educate myself. I was there and I was dropped in primary 7. I was a dropout.
Which year was that?
It is 1976.
And what was your score like?
My score line, during that time, score line I did well, but I don't remember the marks I got. When I reached the school where I was, they said they don't know where my documents are. The rats, the termites entered the office and ate everything. So for me, I found it difficult to look for them at the UNEB center, and I decided to repair.
Right now?
I'm feeling happy and I'm looking forward to perform best.
Sorry.
I want to go and join senior 1, study up to senior 6, up to senior 4, then I go to senior 6.
Yes, currently, what do you do to earn a living?
I've been doing tailoring. I have a community-based vocational training, which trains tailoring, knitting, and I've done all those ones, and I'm tired. I want to have best ones like others. But I can train others who will come near. My son went up to senior 6 and did an electric course and is working. He's now 27 years. For me, I want to be a very best administrator and a journalist. Ndikwenda kuba mukulembeze mulungi, nkole mbeera muwandiisi wa bitabo. Kubanga kati ndakuba nti ndi kujja bwa engineering nze obutabusobola. Nayenda kwongereza ku luzungu lwange. Ebiseera ebyo twasomanga oluzungu twogera lwa sentensi lwa bigambo 3-4. Emyaka nazaalibwa 1959. It is coming to 60 years. Bakaire abo bona mbakoba baveeyo, ate nze nsuubira afterwards okunoonya abakaire bona mbasomese baveeyo balebe ku kaire kanakulu alandwera editebereka.